Hi, I'm Max Mishakov and this is my singing tutorials. Now I'm going to be answering this. What's the difference between timbre and registers? So, timbre is unique characteristics of any sound. For example, the engine of one car has little bit different timbre from the engine of another car. The engine of a bike is very different from the timbre of the engine of a bus. So the engine of a bus is like something like I don't understand how to show it, but the bike is more like like this. But the bus is something like this. So timbre is unique characteristics of any sound. For example, the sounds of two mosquitoes are very similar, so they have similar timbres. And what is a register? Register is a series of tones produced with similar quality, similar timbre. So registers have similar the notes, every note of one register have similar timbre if it's produced by one person. But if one person sings in a chest voice, in his chest voice, and another person sings in his chest voice, the timbres are different because the unique characteristics are different. Okay? If one person sings in his or her head voice and another person sings in their head voice, the timbres are different. If one person sings in their head voice, the timbre of each note is similar. Okay, understand? So you can't change your timbre because it's unique, but you can change your register of your notes, because the register is kind of technique in which you produce the sound. And also I can tell you there are some notes that can be sung in the chest voice. There are some notes that can be sung in head voice, also whistle voice, blah blah blah. And the chest voice and head voice, they overlap. It means that those notes between, they can be sung both in chest voice and head voice. They can be sung with two different timbres and two different techniques. This technique is called register. It's not a technique, it's a series of tones produced with similar timbre quality. I think you got it. Thank you for the question. Thank you for watching. See you soon.